Have you ever felt lost during the IELTS listening test? Don't worry, many struggle with map and plan questions. Today, we'll tackle this easy yet crucial part of the IELTS listening exam. Map and plan questions appear frequently. They require you to identify specific locations. You listen to audio and track the information visually. Let's break down the pathway to mastering these questions. First, familiarize yourself with common vocabulary. Words like north, south, behind, and next to are vital. Listen for these directions as they guide you. Second, pay attention to the key landmarks mentioned. They help in visualization. For example, if you hear the library is next to the cafe, note that position. Third, practice with sample maps. This familiarizes you with formats. Use resources like past tests or online practice quizzes. Understanding these 3 tips will transform your listening strategy. By identifying landmarks and practicing maps, you're on the right track. Imagine you're listening to a recording. It describes a park layout with benches, trees, and paths. You visualize it as you listen. You confidently mark the locations on your map, making the right connections. To summarize, focus on essential vocabulary, key landmarks, and practice maps. By applying these tips, you set yourself up for success. Want to dive deeper? Transform your preparation with our course at Transform Academy. Click the link in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content.